During our early formative years of the 80s, America was a dream. As a student, we respected American work ethic, the economic opportunity, the political might, the geopolitical might, the careers that people could build, our friends were building in America. Today, America bashing may be in.
It's monumental in some sense, and not usually seeing the kind of investment, the kind of effort that you as an institution are taking to reach out to corporates. It's commendable.
Every aspect of our culture may not be useful. We need to now start asking a different question, but politely, with compassion and with humility. And third one, that is even more important, to get, helping our graduates to get into this journey of seeking excellence.